In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji next to your Slack username by setting your status. If you've ever noticed a small icon next to a teammate's name and wondered how they did that, this is exactly it. Slack uses your status to place a small emoji right next to your name across channels and messages. It's a simple way to share context at a glance, whether you're in a meeting, heads down on a task, or just stepping out for lunch. Start by opening Slack and clicking your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the app window. That opens a quick menu that controls how you appear to others. From there, select Update Status. This is where you choose the emoji and optional text that will appear with your name. Think of this panel as your personal now indicator, what you want teammates to know about your availability or focus. Next, choose an emoji. You can scroll through categories or search by keyword to find something that communicates your situation clearly. Pick something simple and easy to understand. For example, a laptop for working, a coffee cup for a quick break, or a calendar for meetings. Many workspaces also have custom emojis, so you might find options specific to your team's culture. After selecting an emoji, add any accompanying text if you want. This line appears in your profile and gives extra context, like in a meeting, reviewing a doc, or back at 3. Keep it short and straightforward so it's useful at a glance. If you don't need extra text, leaving it blank is completely fine. The emoji alone will still show next to your name. When you're happy with your emoji and text, click Save. That's it. The emoji now appears next to your name in messages, channel member lists, and mentions, helping others see your status without sending a message or interrupting your focus. This tiny visual cue can save a lot of back and forth and keeps your team aligned. Your status will stay active until you clear it or change it. If you need to update it later, just return to your profile picture and open Update Status again. You can swap in a different emoji, revise the text, or remove it when you're done. To recap, click your profile picture, choose Update Status, pick an emoji, add optional text, and click Save. With just a few clicks, you've made your availability clearer and your communication smoother. Give it a try and enjoy the little boost in team clarity.